Good morning and welcome to Morning Walk. I'm Don. As we discuss our walk of faith this morning, I want to ask the question, what is the gospel? When you think of the gospel, what do you think of? Well, the gospel, in simplest terms, is Jesus. That's right. Jesus is the gospel. Jesus is the good news. The gospel is the good news of the dynamic life of the risen Lord Jesus Christ in you and I who have believed. So the gospel is the gospel of Christ. And the resurrection is the key to understanding the gospel. As the dynamic of the life of the risen Lord Jesus indwells us and reveals himself to us, that in fact is the only good news that there is for you and I. So understanding the gospel allows us to understand what it means to be Christian. And frankly, there's so much confusion amongst the general public and the religious community concerning what it means to be Christian. For some, they have the wrong perception. Does it mean affirming a particular belief system? Does it mean following a moral code of conduct? Does it mean changing and improving one's behavior? Does it mean joining a church organization? Does it mean practicing regular rituals of worship? Well, all of those are, of course, no. And it is often asked what one must do to become a Christian. Well, the good news of the gospel is that everything that's necessary to become a Christian has already been done by Jesus Christ, which is why he exclaimed what he did at the cross. It is finished. And it's only by the grace activity of God in Jesus Christ that the opportunity of becoming a Christian is available to us. As Paul said, for by grace are you saved through faith, and that not of yourselves. It is the gift of God, and not as a result of works, that no one should boast. So there's no human performance or effort that can make us Christians. And that, my friend, is the gospel of Jesus. Jesus is the good news. Have you received him today? And if so, are you walking by faith in your morning walk with him today?